By now, you are familiar with the STAR method and have analyzed real-world examples of effective responses. But knowing what makes a good STAR answer is not enough. You need to craft your own compelling stories. In this lecture, we will focus on how to identify and refine your personal experiences into structured STAR responses. Objectives. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to select relevant personal and professional experiences for STAR responses, transform raw experiences into structured, engaging narratives, tailor STAR stories to different job roles, practice storytelling techniques to enhance clarity and impact, developing your STAR story. Step 1. Identifying the right experiences. Not all experiences make great STAR responses. Strong examples should demonstrate a skill relevant to the job you're applying for, involve a specific situation, not just a general work habit, show a clear challenge and how you addressed it, lead to a measurable or meaningful outcome, brainstorming your experiences. Think of 3 different situations where you solved a difficult problem, took initiative in a challenging situation, helped a team succeed. Write down brief summaries of each, focusing on the challenge and your role. These will serve as the foundation for your STAR stories. Step 2. Structuring your experience into STAR. Once you have your experiences, break them down into STAR format. Managing an unexpected crisis. Tell me about a time when you had to handle an unexpected challenge. Situation. During a major event at my previous job, the main speaker canceled an hour before their scheduled session. Task. I had to quickly find a replacement and ensure the event continued smoothly. Action. I contacted another industry expert, prepared them with key materials, and worked with the team to adjust the schedule seamlessly. Result. The event proceeded as planned, the audience feedback was overwhelmingly positive, and my manager recognized my problem-solving skills. Step 3. Tailoring your STAR responses for different jobs. A single STAR story can be adapted to different job roles by emphasizing different aspects. Question. Tell me about a time when you worked under pressure. For a marketing role, emphasize creativity and strategic problem-solving. Example. I had to redesign an ad campaign overnight to align with new brand guidelines. For a leadership role, highlight decision-making and team management. Example. I guided a team through a sudden policy change, ensuring everyone adapted smoothly. For a technical role, focus on analytical thinking and problem-solving. Example. I fixed a critical system error under a tight deadline, preventing downtime. Refining and strengthening your STAR stories. A strong STAR response is about engagement and clarity. Be concise. Avoid unnecessary background details. Use action verbs. Say, I implemented a new workflow, not, I helped improve a process. Quantify results. Whenever possible, include percentages, time savings, or feedback. Make it conversational. Practice speaking your responses out loud to ensure they sound natural. Practicing your STAR stories. Select one of your brainstormed experiences. Write a full STAR response, 150-200 words, pair with a partner or record yourself, and present your response as if in an interview. Get feedback on clarity, conciseness, and engagement.